Sup peeps and welcome back to my channel. Today is the 14th of November and that is Lakshmi Pujan. So I have a thing. I am going to Goa tomorrow, and before you judge, we're gonna take our own car, so we're not gonna use any kind of public transport. We're gonna take all the care, wear masks all the time, and plus we're going to one of the deserted beaches in South Goa, and that is Palolem. So it's one of the most beautiful beaches in Goa. So believe me, it's gonna be worth it. Also, please do not think ये कोई ऐसा mediocre any other Goa vlog है, okay? Because first of all, it has me, and I find myself pretty interesting and unique, okay? And secondly, I don't know. You'll see. You'll see, and let me know in the comments when you see it. Plus, it's not a budget backpacking, but it's kind of a middle class luxury vlog. So I'm gonna give my entire budget of the trip at the end of the video. So last tak dekhna so that you understand what is a middle class luxury trip. Okay, let's go. Saw me flexing my driving skills in the last video. अभी हम लोग उधर ही उसी रास्ते पे थोड़ा रुक गए हैं एंड थोड़ा सा फैमिली गुजराती टाइप्स पिकनिक वगैरह करके छाछ वास पी रहे, आई डोंट नो, इट्स नाइस. Alright guys, so we have finally reached Palolem after like 13 to 14 hours of car journey. तो अभी हम लोगों ने गाड़ी पार्क कर दी है and now we are gonna carry our luggage to the beach. So we are living on the beach in shacks. तो shacks ऐसा मतलब it's basically a hotel on the beach. बहुत cool लगता है वैसे. तो I don't know if I'll be able to show you the road because it's pretty dark elsewhere. तो चलो, when I reach the hotel, I'll like कुत्ता है भी, ठीक है. It's so pretty how all of these places are decorated for Diwali. And we are here. So these are called shacks. They're basically made on the beach. Yeah, सुबह दिखाना चाहिए. So this is our room. This is our bedroom. तो यहाँ पे ऐसे तीन है. My mom, dad, and me, obviously. And this is the washroom. Coming back. And this is old Gavachi Shing. Good morning, everyone. And now we have Palolem. And this is the shacks. And the shacks is like ये लोग मतलब rainy season में निकाल देते हैं and every winter and summer season they come and build it up. And then हमारी दिखाते हैं. This is our shack and that's Satya. Hey. What's up? This is Satya's shack. Good morning guys, and abhi it's our so we are here for 2 days and आज we might probably just go swimming after breakfast. अभी हम लोग सिर्फ walk ले आए हैं and उसके बाद I might just go kayaking. So अभी मेरे पीछे if you can see those are the kayaking boats and I might just probably teach you how to kayak today. So every morning
around 5 or 5:30 these fishermen put out nets in the water, and फिर around 7:38 they manually pull it out. एंड मतलब देख के तो बहुत ही एफर्टफुल एंड टाइम कंज्यूमिंग काम लग रहा है भाई. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट ऑल ऑफ देम डू इट टुगेदर.
जो लोग ऐसे इतने सारे लोग साथ में बैठ के ऑब्वियसली सोशल डिस्टेंस, इतने सारे लोग साथ में बैठ के फिशिंग कर रहे हैं. एंड ऑनेस्टली यहाँ पे इतना कुछ ज़्यादा फिश दिख ही नहीं रहे हैं, बहुत पोपट हो गया.
So Palolem beach is at the south of Goa and literally अभी बहुत ज़्यादा लोग नहीं है, बेचारों का बिजनेस भी बहुत ठप है. और यहाँ पे फुल लाइंस में पूरी शैक्स है एंड देन यू कैन डू kayaking, body surfing and just normal chilling and swimming. Obviously यहाँ पे clubbing नहीं होता, but for me that's one of the plus points of coming to this beach. Alright, so मेरे पीछे जो एक कमान टाइप्स दिख रहा है ना, that is like the main entrance of the beach, and then the beach is ऐसा equally spread towards the right. I don't know if this is the right or not. हाँ, and the left.
Okay, so this is a starfish and I swear it looks like the starfish from Nemo. वो पिंक कलर वाला रहता है ना. एंड प्लस ये ना थोड़ा पॉइजनस होता है, सो इफ़ यू फाइंड वन ट्राई नॉट टू पोक इट. ओके.
Alright guys, so I'm just lying on the beach right now, waiting for my fam to get ready, and so that we can go kayaking. So yeah, and this is what I'm gonna wear on the beach. So obviously bikini नहीं पहनी because मैं भारतीय नारी हूँ. Alright, so I have to maintain my standard.
वाह, भारतीय नारी.
Other than that, let me show you what kayaks are. These are the kayaks. यहाँ पे ये 2-seater kayaks है, so probably me and Tati would share one. And then you just take it and row and go into the sun. Meme material. So हर साल ना इस बीच पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा यूरोपियंस होते हैं. Like the last time I was here, we were probably the only Indians in my entire shack. And the only reason this beach is so clean and so serene because सच बोलूँ तो यहाँ पे इंडियंस नहीं है ज़्यादा. सो लाइक यहाँ पे जो वेव्स है ना उसकी कैपेसिटी इज़ वेरी लो. मतलब इफ़ यू सी लाट है ना इतनी बड़ी नहीं आती. लाइक कलंगूट एंड बागा, ऑल दोज नॉर्थ गोवा बीचेस, दे हैव वेरी पावरफुल वेव्स. तो वहाँ पे नेचुरली हम इंडियंस को पानी में बहुत खेलने में बहुत मज़ा आता है. दिस इज़ जस्ट lie on the beach, do kayaking, then you can do swimming, genuine swimming in the ocean types यहाँ पे कर सकते हो. And less Indians is just cleaner beaches and really amazing scenes. तो जब तुम लोग आते हो तो थोड़ा सा आराम से रहो. Okay, I think it is time that you guys notice my weird tone. Unnecessary information. Alright, so this is like my bua and mom going. I would obviously not be able to shoot mine, तो इनको ही देख लो कैसे जाते हैं. This is a kayak. हर एक को एक रो करने के लिए मिलता है. पीछे वाले जो बैठते हैं ना उसको सबसे ज़्यादा रो करना पड़ता है. But like, okay, now let's see how she sits. And here they go! Woo! Ready? Let's go! This is our kayak. Guys, I'm literally in the middle of the ocean right now on my kayak and with Tati obviously, and Tati and me are rowing. So, and थक गए बे, बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है और इतनी मेहनत नहीं हो पाएगी, पर फिर भी. So yeah, I'm just gonna like lay back and vlog under the name of fame and money that I've promised her, and she ain't gonna get anything. So, and those are our other kayaks. और यहाँ पे ना, so see, you row it in a manner. टट्टी देखा हाँ, या राइट साइड फर्स्ट एंड लेफ्ट साइड. तो उसको एक बेंड होता है जिसको मारने से वो फास्ट जाती है. So हाँ, like if you wanna go straight, then you have to equally row on both sides. Togo, yes, that's it. Drown, woman. What's up guys, so this is how we kayak. kayak, and now we're just gonna go around to the island and stuff, take a nice round in the sun, get probably a sunstroke, and then come back.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, let's go. Woo! I am just fascinated with the entire thing. Just look at it. I don't care if I'm even visible in this video or not. If you guys are in Palolem or Goa anytime, do kayak. Basically the island that was like visible from the beach, I mean वो right side पे दिखाया था, and now we can read that someone actually owns this place. I mean it's private property, no trespassing. अमीर लोग की अलग ही चोचले होते हैं. Just heading back to the shore because it's been a long ride, and let's see what's up next. Here, and the beach is literally so far. Yeah, that is the beach. So इतना वापस करना है भाई, इतना वापस करना है. टट्टी ताकत भी है क्या? हाँ वाओ, इसे क्या थक गया टट्टी. अब तू चला, मैं नहीं चला रही.
तूने चलाया ही नहीं.
ओके गाइस, तो अभी मेरा कायाकिंग करके हो गया और मैं फ़ोन रखने के लिए आई हूँ बिकॉज नाउ वी आर गोइंग स्विमिंग इन द वाटर्स, एंड उधर वहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली शूट करने के लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. सो आई विल गेट बैक आफ्टर द स्विम. भाई थक गई, मेरे हाथ पूरे मर गए और मेरे बालों का पता नहीं क्या हो गया, बट ठीक है. सो it's already around 5 o'clock over here on my first day, actually second. And how did you like it? It's beautiful, right? So now just a heads up on what's actually happening in Goa right now. So there are like 3 Adani projects going on in Goa. I don't know if all are Adani or not. किसी भी government side पे नहीं दिया है. One is they're building a road. Another one is they're building a railway line, and third भी ऐसा ही कुछ तो है. And all of these projects are going right through the sanctuary in Goa. And so there's this, so let me tell you, so there's this port, okay? Vasco City का port है जहाँ से they can transfer coal mines and वगैरह. तो उस transportation को help करने के लिए ये 3 projects करने वाले. And abhi the tricky part is to build this project, around 1 lakh trees in Goa is going to be cut. You know, the funny thing about nature is कि तुम लोग कहीं पे भी कुछ भी करो ना, nature always keeps a balance. You cut 1 lakh trees somewhere, something is going to go wrong somewhere else. And इसीलिए I'm also going to talk to a few locals around here tomorrow to, you know, get a hang of what they actually think about it. But there's another thing ki, you know, not a lot of locals even are aware of this, because only a few environmentalists are, and even if you guys go on the internet right now, to bhi you won't find a lot of information about it. There you go, media. But you see, knowing about it is really important, because no matter where you are, you know, no matter, tum log agar Goa mein nahi ho to you're like, why should I care? But that's not the case, guys. It's obviously gonna affect you. And moreover, it could be a thing कि probably by the time that you guys could convince your parents to let you go for a Goa trip alone with your friends, जो मुझे तब तक हुआ नहीं है, but फिर भी अगर तुम लोगों को करना है तो भी it might just be like there might just not be a Goa left for it. So let's see that tomorrow. फिलहाल के लिए I am going to shopping. शायद अभी तो walk लेंगे, मेरे सारे लोग सोए हैं, मेरा भी थोड़ा गला बैठ गया. बट येस, उसके बाद I'll go to गोवा का मार्केट ऑन द पालोलेम बीच, एंड दैट वे तो वो भी थोड़ा देख लेंगे. ऑलराइट गाइस, अभी थोड़ा सा सनसेट है. सनसेट के बाद I'll be going off to the market near पालोलेम बीच for you know shopping. पर मतलब क्या, let's see what I find there honestly, because Goa के markets are known for a lot of hippie stuff, and you know you'll just देखते क्या मिलता है. Guys, so right now I'm in the Palolem क्या मार्केट एरिया, और बहुत सारी unnecessary shopping की है मैंने as usual. अभी let's go, I'll show you a few earrings and stuff जो यहाँ पे मिलते हैं. पर if you are into very ऐसा ethnic type of earrings और ऐसा hippie clothing, then you have to come to these markets because थोड़े overpriced होते हैं but they're really nice. Palolem beach anytime and you come shopping over here, find a lot of hippie kind of stuff. जो
So probably तुम लोग बीच के अलावा और कहीं नहीं पहन पाओगे because कपड़े बहुत पतले रहते हैं, but you'll buy anyways, just like I did. I don't know, how is this? The most important stuff.
Alright, guys, it has been a really long and fun and amazing day. And if you're into kayaking and general swimming and chilling, then I would definitely recommend Palolem Beach. So that's it for today. I'm just probably gonna have food now. I'll definitely show it to you. But other than that, I'll be talking to a few locals tomorrow. Let's see what the hotel owner has to say. Plus, uske alawa, we'll be going body surfing tomorrow. So if you want to watch what is body surfing, do watch my next vlog. And till then, this is Gawachishing, and thank you so much for watching this video. And now like, share and subscribe.
I looked in the mirror, and what did I see? A plain old baby boomer smiling back at me. Give me a tattoo, maybe 2 or 3. I wanna be beautiful too.